Hey there, this is Ralph with another video, and this is going to be a short one, but I just want to talk about how we rank advance at the Home Business Academy. At the Home Business Academy, like with any other affiliate marketing program or network marketing program, we do have ranks that you can attain within the academy. But unlike any other affiliate marketing or network marketing program that I am aware of, at least, the Home Business Academy does not base your rank just on sales alone, but rather we like to focus on the good that we do through the sales that we make. And at Home Business Academy, a portion of every sale made goes to an organization called Feed My Starving Children, and there the money is used to help provide meals for hungry children across the globe. So, yeah, your rank in Home Business Academy isn't just based on the amount of good that you do for yourself or the company, but on the amount of good that you do for hungry children around the world. And the levels that we have here at the Home Business Academy runs like this. We call them the Crusader contribution levels. And the first level is benefactor. And you get to this level when you help to provide at least 500 days of meals through HBA customer membership and affiliate activity. And then the next level is Oak Benefactor. You achieve that when you helped provide at least 5,000 days of meals. And then we have the Double Oak Benefactor. You reach that point when you provide at least 10,000 days of meals. And then we have Triple Oak Benefactor. You get to that point when you provide at least 15,000 days of meals. And then after that, Quad Oak Benefactor. You get to that point when you provide at least 20,000 days of meals. And then the final level, the top level, is Diamond Oak level. And you get to that point when you provide at least 50,000 days of meals via HBA customer membership and affiliate activity. So, yeah, your rank in the Home Business Academy is really based not just on self centered metrics, like, how much money did I make for myself? How much money and glory did I make for the company? No, it's based on how much good you did for others by feeding hungry people around the world. And so, yeah, in my mind, this really sets the Home Business Academy apart. This is a heart centered community that is really focused on doing some good in the world. Yes, we like to make money. Yes, we like to help people make money and teach people how to make more money through affiliate marketing and how to do affiliate marketing better. But our ultimate goal is to help make the world a better place and be the change that we want to see in the world. Not just complaining about how bad things are in the world, but doing something positive to make a real change in the world around us. So, yeah, if you want to check out the Home Business Academy, check out my link down in the program description below. It's ralphshomebiz.com and see what you think. Till later, this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Catch you in future updates.